Now, let's set up the Multimatic 215 Pro for the TIG process. Please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips for the Multimatic 215 Pro. Warning: always read and follow all labels and your owner's manual. And remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. In order to TIG weld with the Multimatic 215 Pro, you'll need TIG Accessories. Miller offers a TIG contractor kit, which includes a Weldcraft A150 torch, a TIG accessory kit, regulator, gas hose, and wireless or wired foot control. Before connecting your TIG torch, the machine should be powered off. Unplug the drive lead from the positive output receptacle. Next, install the TIG torch in the negative receptacle. Turn clockwise to tighten. Install the work lead into the positive receptacle. The machine is now set to DCM or electrode negative polarity. If using a remote control, connect adapter to the 14-pin receptacle. Turn clockwise to tighten. Next, connect the Multimatic 215 Pro to 100% argon shielding gas. Connect the free end of the gas close to the TIG gas solenoid located in the back panel of the Multimatic 215 Pro. Tighten with a wrench. Power up your machine. Press the process button and find the TIG process using the left knob. Press either knob to make the selection. If you are using the Auto Set feature, push the Auto Set button so it is illuminated. Select the tungsten size and material thickness using the buttons along the bottom, and adjust using either the right or left knob. Push knob to make selections. Auto Set will offer suggested parameters based on these selections. You can fine-tune the amperage to meet your needs. If you prefer to use the manual mode, push the Auto Set button so it is no longer illuminated. You can adjust your amperage using the right knob. As a guide, the parameter chart is located inside the door. Setting up the Multimatic 215 Pro for TIG welding is as easy as that.